Hello, my name is Yuan, founder and CEO of Daily Surprises Media, a lead generation agency for coaches and service providers that has generated over 100 client wins just last year alone. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you how do you run a successful Instagram giveaway. We actually ran a very successful giveaway just last week. We had over 150 entries. I'm going to put my post up here so you can see it. Not only that, we actually grew our audience dramatically during the giveaway period. We actually signed 2 clients as well during the giveaway period just because we grew our new audience so much. We got new stalkers who actually check out our client result and decided to just work with us directly rather than join the giveaway. If you're interested in how we actually did that, running a successful giveaway, then keep watching. Okay, first thing first, it might be a little bit boring for some of you, but it's a very important thing to do, which is to making sure that you state at the end of your giveaway post or somewhere in your post that the giveaway is not affiliated with Instagram. Because if you do not state that, you actually violate Instagram rules and potentially they can take it down because you're violating their rules. So making sure that your giveaway actually compliant with Instagram's rules and policies by stating that. I'm going to put the wording I use on the screen here, so you can use that if you want. Now that your post is compliant with Instagram policy, how do you making sure that you get as many eyeballs on your post as possible and have as many entries as possible? Because at the end of the day, the giveaway is not only to select a winner so you can support somebody in your community, but at the same time, you really want to grow your audience. So I'm going to share with you the 3 tricks I actually did in this giveaway that really helped my giveaway to get seen by as many people as possible. Not only my existing community, but as well new people that are my ideal clients as well. Are you ready? Take notes. Number 1, I made sure that I don't just drop the giveaway post directly. I actually spent the week before really teasing about giveaways coming. So I actually did a poll with my audience asking them how I can support them, what's the best way to support them. And my audience, my community actually come up with the idea to do a giveaway, which I then shared in my stories so that everyone can vote if that's something that they want to join. I got a lot of appetite for it. So for the rest of that week, I just keep teasing that's coming next week. I'm just prepping for that content. So making sure that you actually prepare your audience for it. You can telling them when the giveaway post is going to drop. So everyone have expectations. You can also put alert on your Instagram and letting everyone to be able to set alert so that when the giveaway posts come out, they can just join directly. You all know this. Instagram engagement at the first few hours really determine how well your post is going to do. So you want to making sure that you're getting as much traction as possible in the first few hours. So the best way to do that is really making sure that you're teasing your audience just a week before, telling them that the giveaway is dropping, telling them the date and time so that everyone is really excited to join. And the moment your giveaway post is published, they all kind of join and really boost that engagement on your post, and Instagram will making sure that more people will see it because they see that as a highly engaged content. So the second trick I use to really explode my giveaway post and making sure that as many people can see as possible, also growing my audience at the same time, is I actually made it a rule to making sure that if you want to do an entry, you need to tag a friend that can also benefit from this giveaway. So I was really vocal about who my ideal client is, who we can support, to making sure that people are tagging the right people that actually can benefit from a giveaway. By doing that, everybody's tagging their friends who are also service providers or coaches that we know we can support in the comment section so that more people can actually see the giveaway post who are most likely not in our audience yet. And Instagram love tagging, so the more people are getting tagged, the more people actually join the giveaway. It's almost like a snowball effect. So by the end of day 1, I already have tons of entry on my post. So if you want to explode your giveaway, really consider making a rule and telling people that they need to tag a friend in order for that count as an entry. The third thing I did to really explode the visibility on my giveaway post and making sure that more people see it who are not in my audience yet is ask people to actually share the giveaway post. And in order to encourage people to actually share the giveaway post in their stories, I actually provide some incentive for it. So what I did is I tell people that they can get 2 extra entries if they actually share in their stories and tag me. Because if they do not tag me, I can't really see who are actually sharing stories. When they tag me, I can then put their name on Excel sheet so that I I can making sure that those people who shared the post into their stories can get 2 extra entries. And that is a great motivation for a lot of people then share to their audience. Because when you think about it, right, people hang out with people who are similar to them. And I know that an ideal client who can benefit from my giveaway, chances are their community, a lot of people would also be ideal clients for me. So when they actually share the giveaway post in their stories, more people actually see that I'm running a giveaway, and more people who are not my audience yet would actually join the giveaway. So those are the 3 tricks I use this time to making sure that I have as many people join my giveaway as possible, growing new audience at the same time, and making sure that the post itself gets as much visibility as possible on Instagram. And I'm actually going to give you a bonus point that I didn't actually leverage this time, but it's like a lesson for me. I will totally do it next time, which is to use video reel format. Depending on when you're going to watch this video. So right now we're recording February 2022, and Reel is still a format that Instagram is pushing a lot. So Reel content in general does much better than static content or your normal IGTV video content. So that's something, if I do a giveaway in the future, I will definitely going to making sure that's going to be Reel format, because I know that if this is getting more engagement, it's actually very likely for Instagram to push your reel to even go to explore page. So here's the bonus tip for you is if you are watching this within a few months, or if you're watching this and you know that the period you're working on right now, Instagram is still pushing for reels, making sure that your giveaway post is actually in reel format. Now we will talk about how do you get as many eyeballs on your post as possible. How do we making sure that your giveaway post actually attracting the right people? The one thing very important to do, which I kind of touched on already when I talk about asking people to tag their best friend, is to making sure that in your post, you very, very specifically call out who is your ideal clients, what your service or product is actually for. Because if you're not very vocal about it, people can tag somebody who is not your ideal clients. And if they join the giveaway, although it does boost numbers, but it doesn't really help you to get a ideal client that can turn to clients later down the line. So making sure that you are very explicit in your post, talking about who your ideal client is and who you can help, no matter you have a service or you have a product. If you have been following all of the steps, I'm pretty sure you're going to have a very successful giveaway. But now you have another challenge, right? You're going to have tons and tons of entries. How do you then pick a giveaway winner? Don't worry, I've got you. I'm going to share with you the free tool that we discovered this time that really helped me to pick a winner for my over 150 entries. And don't worry, this is not a sponsored video or anything. It's just a free tool that I found very easy to use and I want to share with you. I'm going to link the URL in the box below, but I believe it's something called Wheel of Names. I just double checked that it definitely is called Wheel of Names. So I'm going to leave their URL in the description box below for you to check them out. So what I did is basically copy and paste all of the entries into an Excel sheet, and then basically copy that everybody who entered plus the people who have extra entries because they shared the giveaway post to the stories into the Wheel of Names. And the instructions very clear on the website. All you need to do is click on the wheel, and then they will basically eventually stop on the person, and that person is your giveaway winner. Now, at this point in the video, you've learned that number one, the one sentence you have to add in your giveaway post to making sure that your giveaway post is actually compliant with Instagram rules and policies. Number two, you've learned 3 tricks plus a bonus point to making sure that your post gets seen by as many people as possible. You're getting as many entries as possible, and at the same time, you're attracting as many new audience to your profile as possible. And number 3, you know the tool I actually used this time to making sure that I can pick one winner out of over 150 entries, and that only took me a few minutes to do. With everything that provided in this video, I'm pretty sure you can run a very successful giveaway already. While you're waiting for next week's video, making sure that you check out the video on the screen right now where I talk about hashtag strategies. Hashtags is another way to making sure that your posts actually reach more people, not only giveaway post. So making sure that you check that video out. Thank you for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.